also there at Bubba's, it appears. Is that not shot of Bubba's?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
I'm
because
not
you
enough
guys
of a
never
regular
come. So that's what it looks like.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. It's still a great time. Today turned out pretty nice after a cold start. We've got another quiet day tomorrow, and then we've got some snow on Thursday, which I think everybody is aware of. That's the good. That's my first job, is to not have anybody surprised when I say it.
Your first
Yeah,
job.
going to Bubba's on the dance floor. Yes, that's the first one. I'm a second or third floor dance floor guy. Anyways, hi, 32 today. You don't even know what I'm talking about, do you? Brian, you've been there. I know Amanda's been there for sure.
I have been there.
You have been there?
Yeah.
Okay. Just not with us. That's fine. It's fine. Just
It
with
might have been with
nobody
you.
in this newsroom at all. 30 in Rockland, 29 in Bangor for a high after starting below zero. So this system here, it looks like it is right on our doorstep, right? It's actually going to slide to our south and miss us. It'll be this down here that starts to lift in tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. And as I mentioned, until then, it's pretty quiet. Tonight we're down to the single digits, but it's not as cold as it was last night. The mountains will be below zero through the early morning hours. Tomorrow's bright but cold. Teens, low 20s should do it for high temperatures. Clouds start increasing late in the afternoon from the southwest, and into the evening we're clouded up. But here we are at 10 o'clock, and it's still dry. And it's not until after midnight, it looks like, this snow starts to work its way in. This is 2 a.m. on Thursday. Now, initially, it is very cold. So it's all snow everywhere, and efficient snow, meaning it's accumulating on the roadways easily during the early morning hours on Thursday. And that's why I think Thursday morning's commute is tough, because we'll get a couple of hours of snow ahead of it. It'll be snowing during the commute and a little bit after it too. So this is 9 o'clock. It's still snowing in a lot of spots. We do get some warm air aloft that starts to change us over to some sleet. Even maybe some rain along the coastline is a possibility Thursday, kind of late morning through the middle of the day. I think most of the precipitation is done once this happens, though. And so for most of us, it'll be snow with just a topping of sleet or rain along the coastline, and we have that built into our map here. But still, 3 to 6 inches of snow, 6 to 12 across northern Maine, and this storm is out of here by Thursday afternoon, so the evening commute is fine. I think this will just be a challenge for schools because it's lasting through the morning and through the middle of the day. Quiet Friday, quiet Saturday during the day. Then Saturday night, we start some snow, and we'll probably get several inches, 3 to 6 inches at least of snow overnight Saturday. And then it gets interesting on Sunday. We try to change over. Again, mid-level's getting warm, cold at the surface. And the Euro and the GFS look similar, but I can tell you that the difference between this and this is a lot of ice and just a little bit of sleet and maybe some freezing rain. And so that's what we're trying to figure out, is what does that transition look like on Sunday? How long do we spend in that dangerous zone of cold at the surface, warm aloft? And I wish I had the answer for you on that, but I just know there's a chance we could have some ice involved in that on Sunday. So we'll keep an eye on it, and it's windy after that. So that's not a good combination if everything were to come together. The good news is freezing rain events are kind of delicately balanced for us. You almost need everything to be just right. So hopefully one of those variables kicks us either to snow or to sleet or to rain. I'd take all of those over freezing rain.
Yes.
Take any version of precipitation over freezing rain, and then it is breezy, as I mentioned, and quite cold into next week. So our wintry winter continues here with a couple of more storms, one easier to deal with at this point than the other.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. Thank you, Keith.